Is it crunchy?
Super crunchy. It is. Like, even with the sauce all over it,
Yeah.
it's still crunchy.
Yeah? Rips apart. It's 2 liters. get this from Korean supermarket. Per cup. Korean soy sauce. 진간장. That's it. That's our marinade. Keep it in the fridge for overnight, at least 24 hours. Let it marinate it. It should be ready to go. Looking delicious tomorrow. I'm going to season the meat with some salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper.
It's 5 eggs. There are about 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. I'm going to use panko style breadcrumbs. This is from Walmart. Flour. Press it down so that the flour gets in to the meat well, into the egg mixture. Now the breadcrumbs. Using the parchment paper so that it won't stick to each other. Okay. have the other breadcrumbs, so I'm using President's Choice seasoned panko. And it looks like it's got a bit of herbs in there.
I'm going to finish this up in the air fryer. And I'm going to air fry the tonkatsu. Air fry once, 375. Air fry it. A little bit of sugar. Miracle Whip. Ketchup.
Now, we call that a Thousand Island. Korean Thousand Island. And you'll see this at all time. When you go to eat tonkatsu at a Korean restaurant.
Mmm.